Hello everyone, welcome to OneStopBod with me, Amber. Today we're doing a quick 5-minute stretch, super easy. We're just gonna flow right through it. The whole idea is that it just helps to wake your body up. So whether it's first thing in the morning or 2 o'clock in the afternoon when you're needing a little pick me up, I like to think of this as your little shot of espresso to kind of get your day going, get your afternoon going, get the blood moving, all of those good things. So if you're ready, let's start moving. We're gonna start at the top of our mat, feet about hip width apart. We're gonna take a nice deep inhale up and down, breathing right away in, and this time we're gonna flat back over, nice long arms, finding that full wingspan, and then we're gonna do a little arch the back, undulate out, gorgeous, lift with the top of the head and all the way down. From here, we're gonna plie or bend for 3 and 2. Again, breathing. And 1. This time we place our hands on our shins, lift the crown of the head, and all the way back down. Bend those knees again, and we're in a tiger paw out to a plank. Right away from here, push back into a downward facing dog. To come back to your plank, hold it here for just a moment. Now if you need, you're welcome to drop those knees here. If not, you can stay in your plank. We're gonna go halfway down, wrapping those elbows towards your ribs, all the way down and pushing up into a little cobra. Dropping those toes, pushing back into a child's pose. Taking a breath, but not lingering here for too long. Pushing up onto those forearms, tucking the toes. Tiger paw, tiger paw, tiger paw, tiger paw. We're gonna drop that head. Let it hang out here. Maybe you're feeling a little stretch in your neck, perhaps in your lower back or your calves. If you need, you can shake your head no and yes. Let out any tension you may be holding there. When you're ready, you're gonna drop those heels, send those sits bones to the sky, and we're just gonna do a couple drops or bounces to bring ourselves up to standing. So we drop, 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 drop. Very modern dance of us. We're gonna do all of this again. Inhale up, and down a little faster through this time. Up, and flat back over, little undulation, and lift the crown of the head, come all the way down. We're gonna bend those knees for 3 and 2. Again, making sure you're not holding any tension in that neck. And 1. Hands on your shins, lift the crown of the head and back down. Bend those knees, we tiger paw out to our plank. Right away, sending those sits bones up. For a quick little check-in, downward facing dog, back to plank, halfway down. Again, modifying if you need. Dropping to the top of those thighs and pushing back to child's pose. Not lingering here, moving forward onto those forearms, tucking those toes. Tiger paw, tiger paw. Back to little ball. Sits bones up. Bend those knees and drop, 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 drop. All of that one more time. Here we go. Inhale up and let it go. Inhale again and down. Both beautiful sound. And undulation and look up and down. Bend those knees and straighten and bend. And straighten, and bend, and straighten. This time lift the crown of the head, all the way back down. Bend, and tiger paw, out. And send it back to downward facing dog. Quick check-in, back to plank, halfway down, all the way down, push it up. And drop to the top of those thighs. Back to child's pose. The forearms, tuck the toes, tiger paw back. Sits bones up. And we drop it all the way up. Awesome job. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I hope you're feeling a little more invigorated and awake. And until next time, I love you and I'll see you soon. Thank you so much.